In this video, we show you step by step how to glue wall panels over tiles easily and professionally. The basic prerequisite for a stable bonding is a stable substrate. For the adhesive to adhere well, the surface must be free from dust, grease, and dirt. The best way to do this is with Auto Cleaner T. Now open the bucket. First, remove the bag with the dry beads. Then carefully pull the protective film from one side. Make sure to remove any hardened adhesive, but please do not stir. When applying the adhesive, you have two options: directly onto the wall or directly onto the panels, as shown here. You can remove the adhesive directly from the bucket with the toothed spatula. For optimum adhesion, it is important to apply the adhesive over the entire surface with the toothed spatula. You can also spread adhesive directly from the aluminum foil bag. Before you attach the wall panel, the adhesive must be slightly moistened. Place the bottom edge of the panel on the floor or the underlying material and press it upwards against the wall. Make sure that in the next 48 hours, no further strains are applied to the panel. If the panel is not placed directly on the floor, use wooden wedges or other spacers for support. After complete curing, you can remove these fixings. The outer sealant on the top of the panel should only be applied after 7 days. This will ensure that the adhesive has fully cured and all fission products can escape. To reuse the adhesive for future projects, close the bucket airtight. Push the adhesive with a spatula to form a slight elevation in the center. Remove any hardened pieces of material, put the foil back on, and press lightly at the edge. Then flatten the elevation in the center to remove any air pockets. Finally, put back the bag of dry pearls and close the bucket securely. This way, your Ottocoll M595 is perfectly preserved for the next application.